All except one now, of course. The one you just killed. How does it feel to have killed a human being? Nice. Perhaps you'd like to kill some more. Be my guest.
You monster! I'll get you for this, Jinmin.
I can't think why you're so upset. After all, I haven't killed anyone. You're the killer. Let's face it, I don't even kill what I eat. According to humans, eating other creatures to survive is not evil. That's true, isn't it? That's what they say. Well, you know what they also say. It's bad to kill. It's wrong to kill living things. That's what they say. Well, I don't kill when I eat, and I only eat to survive, so I'm okay. But you, where does that leave you? You just killed a human and you didn't eat him.
Jinmin. That's enough. Now, I'm gonna kill you for good enough! Finished.
Really? Can you do it? Let's face it, you only have a human heart. It's quite a handicap. The human spirit is so pitifully weak. Even with the great powers of a demon like Amon, you can't hope to win while your pathetic human conscience prevents you using your full strength. Supposed to be killing me? Oh, yes, of course. Not just me, but all the people on Marseille as well. Come on, you're waiting. Oh, does it hurt? Perhaps you should practice getting used to it. The pain, that is.
Akira.
No!
If you can try to pick up my thoughts. Akira.
Mother.
You have to understand I'm already dead.
Mother, no!
My body was destroyed. My arms ripped from me, broken like twigs. Invisible hands tore and ripped me into pieces.
Stop it! Why are you showing me this? I don't want to see it!
You have to see it. If you don't understand, you won't be able to fight.
God, no!
You're powerless against me. Your human heart is too weak. Now I will add you to Marshall.
Akira!
At least his shell is silent now. The people released from their living death by actual death. At last my poor mother can rest in peace. By killing her, I've saved her.
Would Dr. Tamura please report to the antenatal ward immediately? Thank you.
Oh, look at his
Rio!
Hello.
You seem very well.
Yeah, it must be something to do with all the tender, loving care I'm receiving here. Anyway, how are things with you?
Things are very much the same. You know how it is.
Mr. Asuka needs to rest as much as possible, so don't tire him out.
Right.
I'm knackered. The nurses are wonderful to me, but, well,
Yes, they're very dedicated, professional. You know what? You're a lucky bastard to be staying in here, Rio. It was awful seeing what they did to my mother. Stuff like that sometimes makes me think I shouldn't have become the DevilMan.
That's crap. You gotta remember, your mother was eaten by a demon long before you even knew they existed. And besides, it was only as DevilMan that you could release her.
I guess you're right. To be absolutely truthful, I have to admit to feeling kind of relieved. I guess it's just one of those things I had to deal with. Do you know what I mean? Poor mother. I miss her terribly.
I've been thinking a lot while I've been in here, and I wonder if what we're doing is right. Perhaps it's actually the natural order of things that demons should exist to kill people.
Now listen here, Rio. If you ever say that again, I'll rip your fucking head off and shit down your neck, okay?
Yeah, okay. Look, just take it easy, will you? All I'm saying is that every creature on this planet has a natural enemy, and that's nature's way of maintaining the ecosystem. For instance, the number of carnivorous animals in the world today is limited by the availability of the herbivorous animals which they prey upon, and thus the population balance is maintained in an equilibrium.